Hello and welcome guys, this is Hamad Hussain Khan. Today we are going to unbox my new gimbal Moza Mini S. Let's go ahead. I have ordered it from Amazon. Let's get started. What's inside? This is the box look like. Okay, Moza Mini S. Let's open and see what's inside. I have researched a lot about the gimbal and I found this one very budget friendly and all the professional options in there. So this is, these are the things inside we got. It has this booklet. We'll see later. And wow, really nice. It gives as a handy pouch so that you can take your gimbal anywhere with you without any hassle. Okay, and these are, I guess, charging port, and it has USB-C charging port. And with this one, this is a Bluetooth connector. You can connect your mobile with the Bluetooth as well as with this wire. This small thing, I guess it's a tripod, a stand for the gimbal. Very nice quality. You can see it's written Moza. The finishing is very nice. And here it is, guys. Let me take out this gimbal. That's nice, very nice quality. The weight is around I think 300 gram maybe, not that much heavy. Now we are going to open it. This is the lock button. You just need to, I think, press the out button, and here it is like this, and you need to open this one also. It has all the features button. This is the joystick to move your camera around, and I guess we'll see all the functions and let you know. This is the gimbal Moza Mini S. I have opened it and I am using my Samsung mobile phone A70, which I think weighs around 150 to 170, but this gimbal will take payload around 260. So my iPhone XS or iPhone X Pro, which weighs around 210 or 220, it can easily be used over here. One more good feature of the gimbal is this. You can see from here, this port is open. This motor is not covering this port, so you can charge your phone while you are making the video, or you can use the external mic while you are making the video. So this is one more positive point of this gimbal. The finishing which I am looking is very nice. Looks very robust, and the weight is good. Okay, you can easily move around with it. And one more good feature definitely is this. It is a foldable gimbal, so you can just fold it and keep it in the bag, and you can carry, or even you can keep it into the pocket if your pocket is big enough. So let me show you how the gimbal will be like when I fold it. First you have to just lock this one. The next one, you just press the key and put it in the clockwise direction, and it will be again locked. So that's it, guys. This small will be the gimbal, and that's how you can carry it, and it's very nice and handy. That's it. That's all your gimbal to carry. This is the charging port of the gimbal. It is USB-C charging, and there is one more connector here, Android connector, which you can use if you don't connect your mobile with the Bluetooth. You can just plug this in, and with the mobile directly with the wire you can use this. Okay, so without wasting a time, let's open the gimbal. So here it is. I'm just opening it. This, guys, so now the gimbal is open, you can see. Okay, so this gimbal will balance itself. No, the gimbal is on and it's on the landscape mode. It's good for the making videos. And so the gimbal has two options. One is the landscape mode, in which you can make videos, and the other one is the vertical mode, in which you can have Instagram videos. Let me show you. See, this is the perfect for the making videos for the Instagram post or the Facebook post. This is a joystick, in which you can just move the gimbal according to yourself. This very nice. The handling is very nice. I like it very much, and it's working very smooth. Now let's explore the other options. It has more options, and it has one application called the Moza Genie. So let's explore the other things technically more. Let me charge my gimbal and I'll show you how their functions working. Moreover, you can install the Moza Genie app, in which you can take advantage of all these features and all the options it has. So that's it. Let's see. Let me explore it, and I will give the review later. Default position of the gimbal is a pan mode. It will not tilt, it will just pan along. To get the default position of the gimbal, press this button 2 times. The third use of the front button is when you want to pan and tilt together. Just press this twice and hold it. Now the gimbal will pan and tilt together. So guys, if you want to make a gimbal in a sports mode, just press the lower button twice and the gimbal will be in sports mode. Its movement will be fast. If you press this lower button thrice, the gimbal will turn into the inception mode, in which you can make more creative videos like turning the same around the axis. When you press the left button twice, the gimbal will turn into the lock mode and it will go with your moves. The upper and the right button will be used through the Moza Genie app, in which you can switch between the photos and videos, the front and the back camera, and the time-lapse option. Okay guys, so this was the unboxing of Moza Mini S. I hope you like my video.